Go.
To use the RM2100, plug it in. Alright, and push the power button.
It's already on.
Okay. You'll set the time. With the ultrasound, you'll use 4 to 10 minutes. Okay. Then you will put some gel on your patient. Okay. Then you will change the duty cycle to either continuous or 20% or whatever it entails. Then you will increase or push start.
We're going to turn down the intensity.
Oh, turn down the intensity all the way.
Thanks.
Then push start. Then increase the intensity to 0.75 to 1.25 watts per centimeter squared. And your patient will be healed.